So if you want to supercharge the conversions of your Elementor website, then you need to add this one very simple line of code. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to turn more visitors into paying customers by adding SamCart's new slide checkout to your Elementor website. My name is Scott Murray, and I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, the #1 e-commerce platform for digital sellers. More than 15,000 entrepreneurs have used SamCart to sell $5 billion of their own digital products, services, and physical goods. And hundreds of our sellers love using Elementor and WordPress by extension to build their websites. They know that while Elementor makes great looking websites, it's absolutely not built to sell your stuff, which means your conversions are suffering because all they offer is that weird multi-step checkout funnel that your customers hate using. It doesn't look good on mobile. It's not easy to use. In fact, here's a study from Baymart that shows that long, complicated checkout flows are a huge reason why visitors abandon their cart without ever placing an order. So why not turn those beautiful Elementor pages into sales machines with this, SamCart's slide checkout. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it looks great on mobile, and it helps you make more money. And best of all, it takes about 30 seconds to add to your Elementor pages, and you do not need a designer, a coder, or anything like that to make it happen. So let's dive into a SamCart account, and I'll show you exactly how easy it is for this to get done. Elementor, great WordPress builder. I've used it ourselves for a very long time. I'm going to do this in about 90 seconds. So first thing we can do is we need to add a script to the header of our Elementor pages. So I'm going to go back over to SamCart, and I'm going to open a product. So any product will do. I'll take this example ebook right here. Go to the Design and Share tab, and then you want to choose Slide. So this is how you want to launch your checkout. A lot of different options. Generate the slide code. First things first, copy this code. It's one line. It's super, super lightweight, and we're going to go back over to Elementor to add code. We're actually going to, in the sidebar, scroll over Elementor, and we're going with Custom Code, that tab. Now that we're here on Custom Code, what we need to do is I'm just going to click Add New. And I'll call this, SamCart slide checkout, whatever, something like that. Location, you want it in the head is where you want it on each page, and then you're just going to paste it in. You can see, very lightweight, very, very, very easy to do. I'll go ahead and click Publish. Now it's, where do you want to publish? Do you want to do it on your entire site? Do you want to do specific conditions or something like that? I'm just going to do entire site. It's fine. Go ahead and click Save. Now what we can do is we can go back to the specific Elementor page that we have, and all you need to do is set the target for any button, any image, any whatever, to this URL. So go back over to SamCart. We grab the code in step 1. Step 2 is to grab this URL. This URL, it'll come back over to Elementor. I'll click on, here's a button page right here. Go to the content, and we're just going to say, this is the URL. When someone clicks on this button, paste that URL in from SamCart. It doesn't matter if it opens in a new window. It doesn't matter, any of these things is fine. Like what we've done here is plenty good. We're going to go ahead and click Update, and we'll go over to the live page. So here we are, publish Elementor page. You can see it's a little different. We have kind of, ballet classes here. But this button launches slide checkout. So just like that, we've got a slide checkout. You could add multiple of these to one page. So you could have multiple different products available if you wanted to have like a sort of a storefront type thing. All of our slide checkouts are packed with features to help grow your average order value, right? Order bumps, upgrades, upsells. We've got one-click checkout with Apple Pay and Google Pay. We've got access to the stored credit card network. So if someone has a stored credit card inside of Stripe Link, right? All these fast ways to make it easy for someone to go buy. Fully customizable, taxes, shipping addresses, bundle products, whatever. Full-featured checkout to go along with your Elementor page, so you can ditch the weird kind of Elementor checkout and do this instead. With slide checkout, you look like a total pro with a modern checkout that matches your beautiful website that your customers will love using. You're going to bring in more customers. You're going to collect 2 to 3 times more profit from each new order, which gives you the freedom to repocket that money, reinvest it back into ads, and keep growing, whatever it is that you want to do. In short, when you make it easy for your customers to buy and spend more while they're doing it, you will watch your sales take off. SamCart's new slide checkout is built to do exactly that. So join the 15,000 entrepreneurs who use SamCart to power their growth. Head over to samcart.com and grab a free trial today. Or if you like, our team can set up your entire SamCart account for you. Click the link in the description below this video to talk with our done-for-you implementation team. Elementor looks great. Make sure it's also designed to sell great by partnering with SamCart.